Join us today as we show you around our stateroom on Royal Caribbean's lovely cruise ship, the Anthem of the Seas. As our itinerary for this cruise takes us through the sometimes treacherous Bay of Biscay, which can be a struggle even for the hardiest of sea legs, we chose a cabin location in the middle of the ship. So a midship location and on deck 9. Our category for this ship is a J3 junior suite and the room number is 9614. Woohoo, any second now and we can get in and check out our home for the next 12 nights. Our key card is located in a pouch stuck to our door. There are cameras everywhere in public areas, so there is no worries about anyone pinching your card before you get there and trashing your room or raking up a huge bill. Well, you'd hope so anyway. We like to pop magnets on our front door, partly because it's fun, but also it helps us find our room. For us, a balcony is essential and we enjoy spending time out there and just being able to see out from our room. This balcony is great as there was room for a pair of recliner chairs and footstools. And it was so great being able to see the sea from our room. This category of room has 1.5 bathrooms, so just a toilet and a sink in one room, and the second room has a bath with shower and also another toilet and sink. This was a great bonus, plus both rooms had great storage. We had the bed in the king size configuration, but you can ask your stateroom host and they will split it into twins for you. They'll also give you blankets, extra quilts, anything you want pretty much. There is adequate room underneath the bed for quite a number of large suitcases. There is ton of drawers and workspace where the console and desk are, along with a decent sized TV. As it's a UK sailing, there is a kettle. And all sailings of this category get a Lavazza machine with tea and coffee getting replenished twice a day, presuming you let them in the room of course. Both areas have lots of plug sockets and include US and EU sockets. At the desk there is also a chair and a mirror, thankfully at a suitable height. And there is also a small fridge under the console. The room has a good sized seating area with a sofa, a couple of armchairs and a coffee table. Our stateroom host provided us with a lovely surprise on many evenings on our return to the room with these great and creative towel animals. We never expect them, so it's always a wonderful surprise when we get them. Being a junior suite, this room will get serviced twice a day, unlike the categories below this, unless of course you pop the magnet up saying that you were fine, which we often did. We also get early embarkation, access to evening meals in the suite-only coastal kitchen if there's reservations available. The suites of a higher grade get many more benefits. This is like a halfway house, but for the cost, we love staying in a junior suite. There is no public laundry on this ship, but you get various price lists for ironing and washing throughout the cruise. A bit pricey, probably add up quite a bit. We've yet to use it on a cruise, we just pack enough stuff. Or rinse it through and hang it on a magnet. It is worth knowing that there is nothing wrong with grabbing some cookies from the buffet and taking them back to your room to enjoy on the balcony. So I mentioned magnets briefly before when I mentioned about doing my washing. They are a great hat to take with you on a cruise, The walls are magnetic, as are the ceilings. You can hang things on them, stick tickets to the wall with them, and so many other things. We just take a bundle, and they mainly get used. This was our favourite room on a cruise ship so far, and we wouldn't hesitate to get this or a similar one in the future. Plus, of course, with a balcony room, you get to enjoy some magnificent sunrises and sunsets from the comfort of your room. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, and we'll catch you again soon. Bye!